to my channel, Nancy's World. I'm glad you're all here. Today we're going to do an unbagging, which is just some stuff that I've been waiting for diamond painting, and I'm glad to share it all with you. So I opened up the bag because I wanted to make sure that I received everything that I ordered. But let's take a look at what we've got here. Sorry for all the bag noise. Sorry. Okay, and we start off with, I have over here is a cross stitch, which we will not do here. We'll do this in another video, and a cross stitch base, and these will go part 2. Now I have here a 3D project, all diamond painting, and an actual diamond painting itself. So let's start with this one. And all of this came from GBFKE, and I'll try to link up my items in the video description. So this is a diamond painting. It's an actual picture. Brings everything you need to complete. It's a picture that they're very pretty, very sticky. You're going to stick the little diamonds here onto the actual canvas, and this plastic protection, you need to keep it on there until you're completely done, because it'll keep dust and hairs and other things from getting on top of your picture. I don't know what the FOI stand for, but this is my diamond painting of some butterflies. And these are the actual diamonds that go on it. Let's see if we can open this here. Every diamond painting kit you order will bring the same things: your picture or your project, a toolkit, which will have a little tray, a block of wax, and a diamond painting pen to pick up your little diamonds with. And I'll be doing a how-to video where I will show you exactly how to work on your diamond painting and how to get everything organized. That's called kitting up. I like to package my drills like this in little Ziploc bags, so I'll show you that in the kitting up video. But this is number, actually 18. This picture has, let's see how many colors. It has 23 colors, and there's number 18. It's an L and it's a pink. So everywhere you see an L symbol on your picture, that's where you're gonna put your, let's see if I can find an L. Oh, there goes an L. There's gonna be very few in this picture, but everywhere you see the L, you're gonna put one of those pink little drills. Clarity on this thing is very good. This is the picture. And so let's take a look at these beautiful little things. So we have the L there, and then we have these beautiful things. Let's see if I can do this without moving the camera. See, they're all numbered. Number 1, and you go on to your key over here, and you see number 1 is a W, and it's a dark color. So everywhere you see a W, you're going to put one of these, and so on and so forth. And these are the drills, and they are so pretty and so shiny. Oh my goodness. These happen to be round. In my very large painting, I have squares. These are rounds, and those are the 2 options you have. You also have beautiful gems, which I'll be showing you in the next one. So pretty. Look at these. They're always going to give you, they're going to try to give you as much as you need with a little bit left over. Once in a while, you might find that you don't have enough. Just contact the company and they'll send you more. Or if you have leftovers from a previous project, you can use those. That's why when you finish with these and you have leftovers, don't throw them away. Save them. You can use them for a lot of different things. You could glue these to a bunch. This, I think, was supposed to be the 18. Yep, and then 19 is over here. And you could even use them for nail art if you're into that kind of thing, which I am. And let's see. We also have these two, or three rather. So pretty. And then number 18. So this is what your diamond painting kit consists of. Everything you need to complete your project. So that's this one. Let's put that one to the side. Now let's look at these. Let's see. This is one of them. I won't show you what it is. It's a notebook, but I won't show you the front because I'm going to give it as a gift. And I don't want the person to see it until I'm ready. And this is the other one. They come in these nice little pouches, Ziploc pouches, which are reusable. So save them. You can use them for different kinds of projects. And this also has everything you need to complete this project. Again, it has a toolkit. It's a basic toolkit, but this one, because they're gems instead of tiny little drills or diamonds, it has a tweezer. But this tweezer is plastic, is very flimsy. It's not very good. I'll show you the tweezers that I like. I get them in other kits. They're a little bit more pricey. Has the diamond paint, the pen, the wax, and it has your beautiful diamonds. See, these are gems as opposed to those tiny little drills. That's why they give you a tweezer, because some of these diamonds are too big and the pen can't really hold them well. So, well, first let's look at this. Let's take a look at this. This is the picture that's in the front. And again, it's protected by the plastic cover. It's very sticky. Okay. And it's a notebook. You could use for anything you want. You could write on it, you could sketch on it, you could use it as a scrapbook or whatever you want to do it and use it for. I have one here that I got a couple of years ago that I did. I use this one for my church, and I just write on it different things when I go to church. And this is my beautiful picture from last year. Actually, not last year, it's from a couple of years ago. And see, it's so pretty. So on the how-to video, I'll be showing you how to diamond paint on this beautiful notebook over here. I'll show you exactly how to package your gems when you receive them, or your drills, how to place them, how it all works, and how it looks in the end when it's all done. So this is my video for today. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you learned something new. Don't forget to follow me on YouTube. I have an Instagram account now for Nancy's World. So look for me on Instagram. I'll link it below. And this is video part 1. Part 2 will go over the cross-stitch items that I received. So don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Share if you can. Subscribe, please, because that really helps my channel. I need viewers and I need views of videos in order for my channel to grow. When you do subscribe, don't forget to hit the notification bell and set it to all so that you will never miss a video whenever I upload. Okay? All right, well, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.